fed up. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. So let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light. I won't look back or close my eyes. Let the past be down by night. So let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see the light. I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up, cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. So let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
you do. My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone, but you got me good, but you got me good.
Oops. Hola guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today's the next day. Yesterday I was trying to do a day in the life, and I kind of recorded some clips of what my husband and I did, and I met up with some friends and we went to Ikea. So I just wanted to show you what I got from Ikea. So yesterday I got up I did a part where I did how I do my press-ons, and then I got ready. I showed you guys what I put on. We end up going to Ikea. Ikea had a lot of sales. I've been looking for curtains because my curtains need to be like 96 long, and so yeah, I found some, but they were sold out. So they told us to just like enter our email and stuff like that, so they'll notify us when they have them. And then we went to see a movie. We went to see Quiet Please Day 1. I don't know, something like that. It was pretty good. I just don't like when they bring back a movie and the cast is not the same. So my grandson is having one of those moments every time I record. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got from Ikea. I was trying to take advantage of the lighting without having to turn on so many like lights and stuff like that. So I'm sitting by my window, that way I can show you guys what I got, and I can finally close this video and bring you guys something. Okay, so the first thing, I'm gonna show you boring stuff first, because I've been looking for soft lighting, and these were $1.99 at Ikea for 2, and you get these are 40 watts. And so like I said, I've been looking for that soft light, nothing too bright, and so I needed 4 for my bathroom upstairs and some for the little lamps that I just hauled not too long ago. And then I'm trying to prepare myself for fall, but I have Charlie here, my dog. So I'm looking for like velvet fabric. I don't know what it's called, but and for fall colors, I was looking more for like burgundies and stuff like that, but I found this beautiful olive green, which I have an idea for my entryway bench, because I did haul a cover not too long ago that I think will look really nice with this. Like I said, I'm really trying not to like follow what trends and all the new things. I might have a few pieces that I love, obviously, you know, but I don't want to do everything. Like, I want to do my own thing. So I got this pillow covers, a 20 by 20. And so I think this is really pretty for the fall, even Christmas season. So this was $5.99. And then I found these 2 that I think will be really nice for Christmas, that look like this, because I'm doing a vintage Christmas. And let me see. They're like you can tell you can use these for outdoors, but it says outdoors and indoors, and I guess, I don't know what this is for. Maybe you can hang them or something. But it's like this, and like I said, I'm doing that vintage Christmas look, and I really thought this was nice, like, you know, almost like candy cane stripes. These were 99 cents. I don't know if I said that, but I got 2. I should have gotten more. So let me put this back, because I will leave it and it will become a hot mess. So that, and then I got this here. It's just let me see if I can open it. I might just show you pictures. I think I recorded the video. So this is wood here, and you can do like 2 big mason jars, and it has a wooden knob. This was 99 cents. And I thought this would be cute, like if I just want to put, I don't know, I really don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but for 99 cents I grabbed it. I will be adding like 2 glass jars most likely. I don't know, maybe I can put like wooden spoons in one, fall florals on the other one. But I thought it was cute, so hopefully I still have the clip to show you guys that. If not, then I'll open it and I'll post a picture. And I got a candle. It smells like Downy. That's exactly how I can describe this. It smells like Downy. This was $1.99. They had a lot of sales. So it smells so good, guys, so good. And this is my last item. It wasn't a big, no, I have another thing here. So I got this garland, right? For $6. It's just garland, so it's a big long garland, you see. And these are the colors that I kind of want to go for, the deeper moody colors. So I'm hoping that it looks nice for where I want to use it. And it looks like it's super long. I'm trying to see if it shows me measurements, but it does not. That's the thing with Ikea too, that, you know, it doesn't show me anything. But it looks super long, and these are the colors that I want to incorporate with my decor. And so most likely I'll be using this somewhere in my living room. And let me reach one of them here, which I might have to just turn the camera over. This is a two picture, like 2 posters. You get this one and this one here. I wanted for this one because the bike is really rustic. Like you can tell it's really, really rusty. And so I wish I had like fall floral, because I'm gonna use it now. But I have my olive tree, and I think I want to put, I have a big wall right now that the frame I'm using is not that big. I'll show you right now. I also got that at Goodwill, but I think I'm gonna bring that to my bedroom, and I'm gonna add this one here. This was only $2, so $1 a piece. Look how cute. And so I'll turn over my camera and show you the big frame that we got for $12.99. I was like, what is going on? Is Ikea going out of business? I'm just thinking that they're bringing, they're getting rid of like their fall stuff, summer stuff. And so, yeah. But anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoy this kind of video. I enjoy doing them. And so I cannot wait. I'm going to be doing next my Driftmas in July. I always have a hard time saying that word. I'm gonna be doing that next, and then I'm gonna be starting my fall content, my fall decorating. I'm not gonna go full blown with pumpkins. I know I said that before in my videos, but I will start bringing in my fall florals and some of my fall decor without bringing in pumpkins and stuff like that. That'll bring later on. But I'm ready to like refresh my home for what I call the darker, moodier seasons, which is one of my favorites. I love like the cozy stuff. I love summer, but here in Florida is super hot, like super, super hot. And we have summer like all year long. And so it's nice to come across, you know, in that season where things are just a little more, and I don't know, it's beautiful to me. I love making those kind of memories and drinking a hot cocoa, walking with my family, and just sharing new things, you know. But I'm gonna be bringing that kind of content after my Christmas stuff, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. So you're gonna be seeing a lot of changes and things here, and I'm also just gonna incorporate things with the decor that I already have. That way I'm not changing everything and stressing myself out, because I've done that where I take everything down and I'm trying to fill the space with fall and stuff just to fit into the YouTube community. I'm not doing that to myself anymore. I'm just gonna leave the decor that I love, and I'll just be adding pieces or switching out certain pieces. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for being here. Your love, your support. Be kind to one another, and I'll catch you guys very soon on my next one. Don't forget, I'm gonna be showing you the frame.